Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at the definite article the with examples. Let's dive in. The definite article, how to use the in English. In English, we simply use the for the masculine, feminine, or neutral, or even for the singular or plural. In English, we simply use the for the masculine, feminine, or neutral, or even for the singular or plural. We say that the is a definite article because it defines something specific. We say that the is a definite article because it defines something specific. On the contrary, a/an are indefinite articles because they indicate something non-specific. On the contrary, a/an are indefinite articles because they indicate something non-specific. The bike, the bike. The bikes, the bikes. The boy, the boy. The boys, the boys. Did you know that the is the most used word in English language? Did you know that the is the most used word in English language? When to put the. When to put the. The is used in the following cases. The is used in the following cases. To designate a group of people. To designate a group of people. The elderly. The elderly. The poor. The poor. The Canadians. The Canadians. The decades. The decades. This is a plane from the 1930s. This is a plane from the 1930s. She was born in the 80s. She was born in the 80s. To designate things that everyone knows about. To designate things that everyone knows about. The stars. The stars. The earth. The earth. The sun. The sun. The moon. The moon. Geographical names, oceans, rivers, island groups, and mountain ranges. Geographical names, oceans, rivers, island groups, and mountain ranges. The Hudson River. The Hudson River. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. The Himalayas. The Himalayas. The Nile. The Nile. The Alps. The Alps. The Rocky Mountains. The Rocky Mountains. The Arctic. The Arctic. The Dead Sea. The Dead Sea. Surnames in the plural. Surnames in the plural. The Simpsons. The Simpsons. The Simpson family. With the names of monuments. With the names of monuments. The Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower. The Louvre. The Louvre. With the names of newspapers. With the names of newspapers. The New York Times. The New York Times. The Guardian. The Guardian. The Sun. The Sun. Country names in the plural. Country names in the plural. The United States of America. The United States of America. The United Kingdom. The United Kingdom. The Netherlands. The Netherlands. The Philippines. The Philippines. The agreement is generally in the singular. The agreement is generally in the singular. The USA is a very big country. The USA is a very big country. Definite article the or indefinite a slash an. Definite article the or indefinite a slash an. See the following example. Can we go to the park? Can we go to the park? Specific, we already know the park where we want to go. This is specific, we already know the park where we want to go. Can we go to a park? Can we go to a park? Non-specific, it could be any park. This is non-specific, it could be any park. When not to use the. When not to use the? With the names of countries and continents. She's just returned from Italy. She's just returned from Italy. Russia is a very big country. Russia is a very big country. Asia is bigger than Africa. Asia is bigger than Africa. With the language names. With the language names. French is spoken in Switzerland. French is spoken in Switzerland. English uses many words of Latin origin. English uses many words of Latin origin. Japanese is a beautiful language. Japanese is a beautiful language. With the names of the meals. With the names of the meals. I like to eat breakfast in the morning. I like to eat breakfast in the morning. This is correct. I like to eat the breakfast in the morning. This is wrong. I like to eat the breakfast in the morning. This is wrong. Lunch is my favorite meal. Lunch is my favorite meal. This is correct. And this is wrong. The lunch is my favorite meal. The lunch is my favorite meal. This is wrong. With titles combined with a name. With titles combined with a name. President Trump is traveling to China. President Trump is traveling to China. Prince Charles is Queen Elizabeth's son. Prince Charles is Queen Elizabeth's son. We can say the Queen visited Paris for the first time. We can say the Queen visited Paris for the first time. Because we don't say her first name. Because we don't say her first name. With professions. With professions. He'll probably study medicine. He'll probably study medicine. Engineering is a well-paid career. Engineering is a well-paid career. With uncountable names. With uncountable names. Bread is an important food in France. Bread is an important food in France. Milk is often added to tea in England. Milk is often added to tea in England. War is destructive. War is destructive. With the names of mountains, lakes, and islands. With the names of mountains, lakes, and islands. He lives near Long Island. He lives near Long Island. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Have you been to Lake Tahoe? Have you been to Lake Tahoe? With street names, stations, and airports. With street names, stations, and airports. Victoria Station is in the center of London. Victoria Station is in the center of London. Can you show me where is Oxford Street? Can you show me where is Oxford Street? They're flying into Charles de Gaulle. They're flying into Charles de Gaulle. With public places. With public places. Go to school. Go to school. This is correct. And go to the school. Go to the school. This is wrong. This is wrong. Go to work. Go to work. This is correct. Go to the work. Go to the work. This is wrong. Go to hospital. Go to hospital. This is correct. Go to the hospital. Go to the hospital. This is wrong. We also say stay in bed. Stay in bed. And this is correct. Not stay in the bed. Not stay in the bed. And this is wrong. Be at home. Be at home. This is correct. And this is be at the home. Be at the home. This is wrong. This is wrong. Note, for the seasons, you can put or not put the. Both are correct. For the seasons, you can put or not put the. Both are correct. We can say in summer, or in the summer, in the summer. So this video ends here about the definite article the with examples. Thanks for watching.